This is the Satya incense gift set, and it is so nice. It has 7 of the most popular incense fragrances, and it's so easy to use. All you need is an incense stick holder. All you have to do is get your incense and light it up. So once you light up the tip, it takes a couple seconds for it to take. And just like that, you just allow it to burn just a little bit and then you blow it out. Once you blow it out, you'll notice that it has a red ember at the tip. And then you know it's working. And smells fantastic. I'm going to show you all the flavors it comes in. And then all you have to do is put it in the incense holder and relax. This lasts for quite a while, which I really like. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of the incense sticks, and look how nice it is. And all you need is an incense catcher, so it catches all the ashes that fall down. And it just smells fantastic, perfect to relax. You're gonna get 7 boxes, and one of them is the Nag Champa, which is a classic love fragrance with floral and earthy notes. This super hit is a rich and alluring scent that creates a calming atmosphere. Dragon's blood is a unique and exotic aroma that is both mysterious and captivating. Sandalwood is known for its soothing properties. Patchouli is an earthy and musky scent, often associated with relaxation and meditation. Lavender is a delicate floral aroma that promotes relaxation and stress relief. Positive Vibes is specially crafted to enhance positive energy. This is a fantastic set and we absolutely love it. My husband and I, we like to burn incense at least once a day. It's so relaxing and it smells so good. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.